So here we have Kenny, and we want him to appear on the third second of our cartoon. Holding Shift down, select all the layers related to Kenny and drag them to the third second mark on the timeline. Now Kenny will appear on the third second. Let us make him appear not so abruptly, but somehow smoothly. This can be done very simply. Since we have all Kenny's parts tied to his body, it's enough to control only the body. Expand the list of options for the body. Move the current time indicator to the first second of composition. Turn animation for scale on. We immediately see the keyframe which recorded that at this point the size of Kenny is 40%. Now go back to the third second and set scale value to 0. Look and behold! From third to third second, Kenny's size will increase from 0 to 40%, and the result is a smooth appearance of Kenny. It's time to introduce you to another important element of the After Effects interface. This is the work area bar, so we called a slider indicating the working area of our composition. It determines which part of the timeline will be rendered into the final video file. By default, the work area bar is extended to the entire timeline, but with the help of mouse, you can easily move its beginning and the end, or move the entire work area bar. You also can define the work area by using B and End keys. B is begin. Clicking it, you'll set the beginning of work area. And N is the end. Pressing N key, you set the end of your cartoon. By the work area bar, you also can create previews. Select by work area bar little snippet that you want to view. This is usually no more than 10-15 seconds, depending on the amount of RAM in your computer. Press the space bar and wait for when the entire work area will turn green, which means that your computer created preview and placed it in the cache. Now you can watch the selected fragments without any breaks. To create the preview with the sound, press the 0 key on the numeric keypad.